Hello, Emily. Wish ko sa birthday mo. Happy birthday. Good health. Sunod ka kay mama at papa mo. Sana lumaki ka ng ayos. Happy birthday. I hope sana makabakasyon kayo ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Makita ka namin ulit. So, enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Family, happy birthday, baby girl. Wish namin sa'yo, happy first birthday to the sweetest little girl. May your day be filled with love, laughter, and lots of cuddles. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Love you!
Happy birthday kay Emily. Emily Apo, miss you. Love you. Sana pasyal uli kayo dito sa Habay. O, yan si Lolo.
Happy birthday!
Okay, bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Emily. I love you. Be a good girl. Hindi ka na iyakin, ha? Lagi mo tatandaan. Love you ka namin. Miss na miss ka na namin.
Kailan lang uwi niya? Kailan uwi mo?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emily!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emily. Love you.
Hi baby Emily, happy first birthday to you. We wish you a good health and be a good girl to your mom and dad. Happy birthday! Ikaw be? Ano, sasabihin mo kay Emily? Happy birthday Emily!
Happy birthday, Emily.
Hello, hi baby Emily. Happy first birthday. This is your godmother, Mimi. We can't wait to meet you and visit us here in UK. I hope you have a very, very good birthday with your parents. Love you.
Happy birthday, Emily. Alam ko malaki ka na. Love ka namin. Uwi ka rito para makita kita personal. Kakargahin kita. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Amelia! Hope to see you and more birthday for you. Wishing you all the best for your birthday. This is my gift for you. This is the gift of your tito. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Emily!
Happy first birthday, Emily!
And just wish.
Thank you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Emily. We love you.
Happy birthday, Emily. Love you. We hope to see you soon.
Hi, Emily. Happy first birthday. Wish ko lumaki kang mabait, matalino at maganda. Enjoy your day. Loves ka ni Lola. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emily. We love you.
Happy birthday, Emily, and welcome to the Christian world. Nako, huwag masyadong mainitin ang ulo ha, napakabata pa. Alam ko na kung kanino ka nagmana, pero magmana ka lang sa kagandahan at kagwapuhan ng iyong mga magulang ha. Anyway, may your faith grow stronger and lumaki kang masigla, masaya, at iligtas sa mga sakit, and may always be God in the center of your life. Again, happy birthday. Wala lang kami dyan, pero ikain mo na lang kami ha. Thank you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Amelie Bell. Mag-happy birthday ka. Enjoy your day. God bless you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Emily. I miss you.
Happy first birthday, Emily! Wish ko sa birthday mo, sana lagi ka maging healthy at sana bawas-bawasan pagiging topakin ng mami mo. At bawasan mo rin ang panonood ng Coco Melon. Sana subukan mo rin ng Batang Quiapo. Enjoy your day, be, and love you.
Happy birthday, Amelie! Sorry, busy si Tito, hindi makaka-attend sa party mo. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging mabait kang bata at maging masunurin sa papa, lalo na sa mama mo. Saka, to follow na lang yung regalo ni Tito. Happy birthday ulit! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Amelie! We miss you! We hope to see you again! We love you! Mwah!
Okay.